Welcome to day number 5 of my Bonne Maman advent calendar unbox. Now, if you've not watched this before, throughout the December period, I've started this series of Bonne Maman where I try every single jam, but the twist is we're going to be making or baking something that goes with it. So, without further ado, let's start with day number 5. Day number 5, we've got chestnut and spiced orange spread. I know exactly what goes well with this. Let's make it.
Fire with it.
It's going to be so messy. It's gonna go everywhere. Let's give it a go. So far, I'd say this is the flavor of Christmas. Absolutely delicious. You guys need to give this a go.